It's the Inspirations Ballet Rosa Ambassador Marina here, and I'm super excited to share with all of you an unboxing video of the new styles from Ballet Rosa that Inspirations has available now. I haven't seen any of these before, so this is my first impression, but I'm really excited. I know they're going to be amazing, so I'll just get started. So, all right. Oh, these are so nice. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so I'm trying not to rip it. Ooh, oh, this is gorgeous. Okay. So here I have the Morgan Scoop low back reversible tank leotard. Oh wow. So, oh, this is pretty. I love open backs. So we have some nice mesh at the top, which is nice and breathable. So that's always nice. And I like how there's a little slit here. And this pattern is really pretty. It's really interesting and definitely different than a lot of really pretty leotards. Yeah, this one's really nice. Oh, and it has cutouts on the side as well with some more mesh here. Really pretty. Oh, I really like this. Okay, let's open up the next one. Oh, this is another black one. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. So here we have the, trying to see, Aubrey boat neck low back. And it has another nice open back and really soft material. I forgot to mention, the material is so beautiful. It's really nice and soft and really breathable. It's not too thick. So definitely you won't sweat a crazy amount. But this leotard has beadwork all on the side. And oh, it's really pretty. Yeah, it has all these little tiny black beads and a nice pattern across the top with a really nice boat neckline. So this one's stunning. I really like this one. Next. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the Crystal V-front full back leotard. As you can see, it has really nice lacing details on the back. And yeah, so the back is mesh and then it has the lacing on top, which is really nice. Again, even though the back is covered, it's nice and breathable. And there's a really nice little V-neck there. Yeah, this one's really nice. And you can't really see, but it has a nice a high cut, which is always really nice. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, next one. So the next one. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. I love the color. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, wow. So this is the Harmony Asymmetrical Crew Neck. And yeah, it has this nice slit and the crossback detailing is really pretty. There's the lace on the front has roses, which is so nice. Yeah, this one's really pretty. I like how it's a little different. Most leotards are pretty symmetrical. So this asymmetry is really nice and interesting. But it's not too much that it's distracting. So yeah, this one's really gorgeous. And the color is Cafe au lait. I probably said that wrong. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, there's one more leotard. All right, so this is the last one that I have here. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love this color. Oh, wow, this is really pretty. Okay, so this is the Esther Pinch front in the poudre color. And so it has really, really nice pinch here. And it's kind of a little bubbly, so that's really nice. The back is stunning. It has a zipper all the way up with some embroidery detailing here. And nice little back, but with the mesh. So again, really nice and breathable, but the lace detailing is gorgeous. This is so pretty. Yeah, I really like this one. This is really, really pretty. Thank you all for watching this little unboxing video. I loved showing you these gorgeous leotards. They're all so stunning and all very different, but really, really pretty. You can find all of these styles at inspirationsdancewear.com, so make sure that you go and check them out before they're all gone, and make sure you get one of your favorites. They're all really nice. They're really hard to choose, but they're really, really pretty. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you guys soon.